Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about random. So what random does is, it will give you a floating point number ranging between 0 to 1. So the way it's work is it gonna every time give you a random number. So let me show you. Uh, Now uh, just first I'm gonna do what then a random value it gives. So if I use the math object dot random, and inside that what I'm gonna do is just give that, and now we're gonna give you every time a random number between 0 to 1. So I know this number is useless because you can't use anything with that. And now we will change something into to so we have a good thing. So how we're gonna do this is use into and like 100. It will give you uh you know increased value with that, but there are still a problem with this because you think about that you want only numbers between 1 to 10, but it gonna give you a float value, and again it gonna give you anywhere between the it can give you 1,000 like that. So how we gonna implement this? So we are gonna create a function and get random integer, and inside that what we're gonna pass is max, and after that what we're gonna do is return math dot floor. Inside that what I'm gonna pass is math dot random, use the random and use the random function with into math dot floor. So those who don't know what math floor do, just check it out my video. I have a video about that too, so just check it out that after that inside that what we're gonna do, pass the max. So if we log it on a console and use the function get random int, and inside that you need to put the maximum value you want to go with that. So you want 10, and it will give you 4, and now it doesn't exist from the original number 10. So now you want to up to 6. So like you are playing Ludo, so this is what it does. Every time you need only this. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.